Hi, I'm Cassie Crow. I'm a workshop facilitator for productive learning, and I have a question. Is there something in your life that's less than ideal? I mean, really think about it. Is there something, and maybe an area in your life that you're not 100% thrilled with? Now, let me ask you another question. How does that feel? How does it feel to have that area that's not 100% ideal? Are you stressed, upset, disappointed, discouraged? What does it feel like for you? Now, let me ask you another question. What would it mean to you if you could have an extraordinary experience of yourself and your life, regardless of external circumstances, regardless of the way it is? I think the truth is that so many of us get locked on having an ideal relationship or having an ideal work-life balance or being the ideal weight, right? And we think that those things are what is going to fill us up when the truth is it's our relationship with ourself that is ultimately what is the most fulfilling. We need to learn how to be with ourselves when the external circumstances are less than ideal. And if that is of value to you, where you can be wholly, totally fulfilled, regardless of the circumstances of your life, then come and join us. I lead personal development workshops for a living, and I'm offering a workshop called Beyond Reasons, where we will look at ourselves, the areas of our life that are less than ideal, how that impacts us, and what we can do about it so that we can feel absolutely extraordinary about ourselves and our lives, no matter what. And we take 2 days to really investigate our thinking in this area, come to understand ourselves, and know how to be with ourselves so that we can feel awake, alive, vital, and fulfilled. Now, I know this is of interest to you. So what I want you to do is go to Eventbrite and enroll in the workshop called Beyond Reasons, February 9th and 10th in Capistrano Beach. Then what you're going to do is you're going to share it with everybody you know and love, because you want everybody to have a wonderful experience of themselves in their lives, right? Well, the best part is that when you and all of your friends come and take this workshop, 100% of your tuition is going to be donated to the Dharma Yoga House. My husband and I are leading this workshop, and we are volunteering our time. One, because we love this work. We believe in self-study. And two, because we love Dharma Yoga House. They offer unbelievable classes. They have extraordinary teachers. The community is really, truly special. And this whole fundraiser is going to support Dharma Yoga House in thriving for years to come. And so it is a win-win-win. You get to learn about you and how to create an extraordinary experience for yourself in your life. And all of that is in support of Dharma Yoga House continuing to offer amazing things to us in the community. So don't hesitate. Go to Eventbrite, and I'll see you February 9th and 10th.